Alright, so we got ourselves a Federal Lula here. Real piece of work. But call was they busted this pickup roller bracket there, right? GAL. The guy that took the call didn't have one on him, so I just switched out with them. Got a new one. He was kind enough to mark it for me. Sits on the carriage bolts and stuff like that. That's what like, I don't know if you can see the clutch on the wall there. That's how the car door comes and grabs, pinches the rollers, unlock the door, and away you go. So the only thing you want to pay attention to here is this distance here, from here to say the door panel, so that you're not too far out or too far in, that you can get nice grabbing on the wheels or rollers. They're in pretty good shape. Okay, let me get it switched over, put on the door, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I got it all on there. Put back in. So this just has like the rod that pickup roller is sitting on has a flat side, so it just sits and that pinches it in, holds them in their spot. It's just a little pin for the pickup roller there, right? That's what works that. It's all tightened up, but when I open it, you can see just going to adjust that a bit because it's hitting the bottom of the lock box there as it comes in and out. Other than that, that was brand new, so I got to pop that off. But just a quick pickup roller swap out for the GAL setup. Thanks for watching.